Fire alarm linkage loop control direct control. It can be set and viewed on the fire alarm host. Press the menu button, go to System Setting. Click Bus Loop Setting. Input password. The number of the bus panel to be filled in can be viewed on the dip switch on the back of the host. The number corresponds to the order of these keys. Can be individually set separately. For example, 001001. Host number corresponding to the host connected. The local host number is 00. The loop number of the device. The address code of the device. These controlled devices include sound and light alarms, broadcasting air valves, elevator emergency landings, etc. After setting up, enter the query. The device number, loop number, and address code corresponding to the bus panel buttons in the list. Next is the setting of dedicated line panel. First, check the settings of the dedicated line panel. There are panel numbers, key number, secondary codes, and comment. Next, set up the dedicated line panel. Enter System Settings. Click on the dedicated panel settings. Enter the dedicated line panel number corresponding to the dip switch on the back of the host. The address is the sequence number of these buttons. A quadratic code is a defined quadratic code. The number of device type corresponds to the list on the left. The controlled device can be a fire hydrant pump, smoke exhaust fan, or sprinkler pump. Specify the location of the device in the comments.